rock alternative, Z104.5 The Edge. Caesar, Breakdown, love that song. Before that, DC Boys, Sabotage, and Coldplay, Lost. Also love that song. I just got that CD like last week. It's one of the best CDs I've ever heard. No lies. I'm Danielle, and make sure and join Kenny tonight from 6 to 8 at the Cherokee Casino, Will Rogers Downs, for the freestyle cage fighting Bedlam Brawl. It's an all-ages event, 10 fights on the card. Tickets start at $25. Make sure and go out there. And I'm still really good. Interesting. Z104.5 The Edge.
Z104.5 The Edge, Tulsa's rock alternative, has teamed up with OSU.